Hello again, everybody. This is Dave from Exclusive Collectibles, back for the trading card preview and box break. Today we've got 2022-23 Donruss Basketball Blaster Box, 15 packs. So this is filled, but I hope this isn't going to be like the Hoops box that we opened that had just nothing but duds. But we've gotten some cool autographs out of some of our other boxes if you take a look at those videos. So 15 cards per pack. Nice beefy packs, but let's see what we get here. Franz Wagner, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Pat Connaughton, Cam Reddish, Kyle Lowry, Zach LaVine, De'Aaron Fox, Lonnie Walker IV, Alfred Sagan, Donovan Mitchell, Chris Paul, Blake Wesley, Green, rated rookie, refractor, franchise features Trae Young, Jalen Williams, rated rookie, Ocha Abaji, rated rookie. Probably butchering some of these names. It's probably the meds or the back pain, so. All right, quick. Corey Kispert, Hamidou Diallo, Robert Williams III, DeJounte Murray, Corey Kispert, Hamidou Diallo, Robert Williams, DeJounte Murray, James Harden, Sadiq Bey, Contavious Caldwell-Pope, Eric Gordon, Anthony Simmons, Herbert Jones, Kawhi Leonard. Our green refractor is Markelle Fultz. Got a little bit of rounded corner there. Not impressed. Great Expectations, Benedict Mathurin, rated rookie, Jaden Ivey, and Patrick Baldwell Jr., rated rookie. My wife picks up a lot of random retail when she goes out. Jalen Noel, Grayson Allen, Jalen Brunson. We also have some left over from the cases we don't sell. Bam Adebayo, Lonzo Ball. Always good to add them to the personal collection. Rui Hachimura, Moses Moody. The corners are on just about all these are just not cool. It's Cameron Johnson, John Wall, Kevin Porter, William McCannon. Bruce Brown is our green. Prism insert. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Kenneth Lofton Jr., rated rookie. David Roddy, rated rookie. I just got piles of random cards. Some of them I want to keep. Isaiah Stewart, Jaylen Brown, John Collins, Kristaps Porzingis, Cade Cunningham, Jaden McDaniels, DeAndre Ayton, PJ Tucker, David Bertans, Damian Lillard, Zion Williams, Paul George, Zach LaVine, franchise features, and Josh Minot, rated rookie, Dalen Terry, rated rookie. And we got Bobby Portis, Evan Fournier, Jimmy Butler, Gary Trent Jr., Kyle Kuzma, Marvin Bagley III, Jonathan Kuminga, Bojan Bogdanovic, Malik Beasley, Damon Green, Emmanuel Quickley, our green prism, Darius Garland, Bomb Squad insert, LaMelo Ball. That's a cool looking card. Isaiah Mobley, rated rookie. Jalen Duran, rated rookie. And now the final pack. So nothing too stellar. No patches so far. No autos. Jason Tatum. Some rounded corners on some of them. Seth Curry. Kelly Oubre Jr. Aganubu. Bradley Beal. Jarrett Allen. Devin Booker. Malcolm Brogdon. Dorian Finney-Smith. Alexei Pokusevski, Andrew Wiggins, our green prism, Tyus Jones, These are nice looking. Jason Tatum Franchise Features, Kennedy Chandler, rated rookie, and Jonathan Davis. So there you have it. Nothing too spectacular, but we got some cool cards. If you're into basketball, these are a nice, cheaper option for you. Some rated rookies, some inserts. Hope you click like and subscribe. Take a look at our other basketball videos. We've got some good autos that we pulled, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at blocksnews.net and exclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us